Yes, anyone who can tell me about thermometer or temperature? Anyone? Okay, who's there? Hanvika is there. Yeah. Yes, Krishika. Hanvika, I'll get back to you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we will use, if we get any cold or fever, we will use the thermometer, ma'am.
Okay, so if anyone is suffering from fever, then we are using thermometer. But why we are using thermometer?
To know the temperature.
Very good. Very good, Krishika. Well tried. Very good. Very good. Yes, Anvika?
We use thermometer to check our temperature.
To check our body temperature.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, good. Yes, next. Yes, Aslan.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Aslan, this is page number 1 of your math course book. Team 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, anyone else who can tell me about temperature or thermometer? Anyone? Okay, is there anyone who can tell me what is temperature? Anyone who can tell me what is temperature? Anyone? Or is there anyone who can tell me what are the different types of thermometer? Yes, Akshay.
Heat in our body.
Heat in our body. Okay, that's temperature. Hmm?
It checks our body temperature.
What? Thermometer?
Temperature.
Okay, so we are using thermometer to check our body temperature, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yes, Akshat?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I don't have my Team 5 coach books, ma'am, because I am in Chennai, ma'am.
Okay, and by the way, what are you doing at Chennai? Yes, Akshat?
Ma'am,
Yeah. See, Akshat, you can do one thing. You can write all your answers in in some rough notebook, okay?
ma'am, I'm writing it in math notebook, ma'am.
Okay, fine. That's very good. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Is there anyone else who can tell me about temperature or thermometer? Anyone? Anyone? Yes, Patan.
Ma'am, when our body becomes hot, it is temperature, ma'am.
When our body becomes hot, it is temperature.
Yes, ma'am. When our body becomes hot, temperature.
Okay. Yes, Lohit. Yes, Lohit.
We measure weather in temperature.
We measure weather in temperature. Okay. Good. Yes, Adya.
Ma'am, I did not have Team 5 book where we have to write.
See, Adya, first of all, ask your parents to get your Theme 5 course books from school by today evening, okay? And in the meanwhile, you can write answers in your math notebook or in rough notebook, okay? Yeah. Okay. So, children, we'll start this topic now. This is thermometer, or you can say temperature, right? So, when we talk about temperature, temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness, like how hot or how cold an object is. See, it could be your food, it could be water, it could be your body. So how hot or how cold an object is that is known as temperature. Okay, so you must have noticed that whenever someone is suffering from fever, or whenever you are suffering from fever, or whenever I am suffering from fever, our body gets hot. Our body gets hot. This means our body temperature increases. Our body temperature increases. So whenever we are suffering from fever, our body temperature increases, right? So basically temperature is the hotness or coldness of an object, or you can say of any body, like how cold or how hot an object is. I'll repeat, you can check temperature of food, you can check temperature of water, you can check temperature of your own body, or you can even check temperature of the air, right? Air means, like, if we want to tell what is the temperature today, then this means we are telling the temperature of weather, right? How is the weather today? Is it cold or is it hot? We tell this according to the temperature, right? Pathan, please pay attention. Okay, right. Now, so this is what temperature is. Now, like, we have different kinds of things. Like, if I want to measure length of any object, I'm using ruler or scale. If I want to measure, if I want to tell the time, I am using clock. In a similar way, if I want to tell the temperature of any object, then I'll be using thermometer. I'll be using thermometer. So thermometer is a device which is used to tell the temperature of any object. Thermometer is a device which is used to tell the temperature of any object. Okay. So before we start with the exercise, I'll show you one video. Please watch that video carefully. It will be helpful for you. Okay, and after that we'll discuss different types of thermometer. Okay. Yes, children, you need to pay attention, and after that I'll be asking you questions. Okay. So now the first question is, Riti, Rati, please unmute yourself and please read first bit.
The first question is human body temperature is normally dash.
Yeah. So the question is, human body temperature is normally dash. This means, what is the human body temperature normally? Normally means when we are not suffering from cold, or when we are not suffering from fever, right? So normal human body temperature is how much? Is there anyone who can tell me normal human body temperature? See, I have told you how to read this C. Yes, Anvika?
Ma'am, 22, ma'am.
No, that's wrong. And children, I hope you all remember that how we will read this. This is degrees Celsius. This is degree. Yes. Yes, Patan.
Ma'am, 37 degree, ma'am.
37 degree. Okay. This is 37 degree Celsius. Yes, children, you all should know how to read this. We did this in grade 1 also. This is this symbol. It looks like this, no? Look here. It looks like 0. This is known as degree. We read it as degree. And this C is known as Celsius. So this is 37 degree Celsius. Okay, how you will read this? This is 37 degree Celsius. Okay, so your correct answer is 37 degree Celsius.
Good morning.
So you will put a tick at the first option. Okay, so put a tick at the first option. This is 37 degrees Celsius. The first option is correct, and you have to write this answer in this blank space also. Okay, so you all need to write this answer in this blank space also. Please write there 37 degrees Celsius. And don't forget to write that degree Celsius, and you all should know how to read it. Okay. So this is 37 degree Celsius. So normal human body temperature is 37 degree Celsius. Fine. Now next question. AVK Ganesh, please read second bit. AVK Ganesh, read second question quickly.
Ma'am, I don't have book, ma'am.
Huh?
I don't have book, ma'am.
If you don't have book, then get it from school and you can read it. I have shared my screen also. No, you can read it from your device also. Please read quickly.
The
That's not the, it's temperature.
temperature of
Ice.
is
Ice is, yeah. So this is temperature of ice is. Okay. Yeah. Pathan, do you have any doubt?
ma'am 25 degrees Celsius, ma'am.
No, Pathan. See, this is not the right way. You cannot tell the answers directly, right? If I'm asking anyone that anybody knows the answer, then you can use raise hand option. Otherwise, no need to tell answers directly. Okay, you need to wait for your turn. Right? Yes, Jay. What is the temperature?
Ma'am, 0, ma'am.
Very good. So answer is 0 degrees Celsius. Temperature of ice. This is water freezes at which temperature? Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. So temperature of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Yes, children. So option C is correct. Put a tick. Option C is correct. And then you have to write this answer in this blank space also. For answer for second bit is 0 degree Celsius. Okay. Answer for second bit is 0 degrees Celsius. This is temperature of ice. So water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. So temperature of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. All right. Now third bit. Zaid, please read third bit.
Temperature. The temperature at which water boils is 100 degrees Celsius.
Okay, very good. You told the answer also. That's correct. Yes, children. This is the temperature at which water boils is. So the temperature at which water boils is 37 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, or 24 degrees Celsius. So water boils at 100 degree Celsius. Okay, you have to learn these things. So water boils at 100 degree Celsius. In higher classes, you can observe these things by doing experiments. But for now, you have to learn these things. So the temperature at which water boils is 0 degrees Celsius. So option B is correct. Now again, you have to write the answer in the blank space also. You will write here 100 degree Celsius. Okay, is there anyone who can tell me why we are writing here degree Celsius? Anyone who can tell me why we are writing here degree Celsius? Anyone? Is there anyone who can tell me why we are writing degree Celsius? Aaron, are you paying attention? Yeah, who can tell me why we are writing a degree Celsius? Yes, is there anyone who can tell me? Anyone? Yes, Advaita.
When we write Celsius, it means it's cold. When we write Fahrenheit, it means it is hot.
Oh, no, this was not my question. I'm just asking why we are writing a degree Celsius. And it's not like if we are writing degree Celsius, then it is hot or it is cold. No, it's not related to that, Advaita. Okay, but good, at least you tried. But that's not the correct explanation actually. Yes, Meghna? Yes, Meghna, tell me.
Can measure the
Huh?
temperature.
Meghna, your voice is very low. I'm unable to understand.
We measure the degrees and Celsius.
Okay, so we measure the temperature in degree and Celsius. Very good, Meghna. That's the correct answer. See, none of you asked me why we are writing a degree Celsius. I had to ask you. Okay, children, yes, we are writing here. Meghna, very good. That's the correct answer. We are writing a degree Celsius because here we are measuring the temperature, and temperature is always measured in degree Celsius or in degree Fahrenheit also. So if you are measuring temperature in degree Fahrenheit, then you will write here degree and capital F. Okay. Yes, Meghna.
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. There is one more unit. Like when we are measuring time, then we are measuring it in minutes, seconds, and hours. Whenever we are measuring length of any object, then we are measuring it in centimeters or meters. In a similar way, whenever you are measuring temperature, you will measure it in degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, and there is one more unit that is known as Kelvin. But Kelvin is not for you. Yes, Aslan, you need to unmute yourself.
Ma'am, that is called a digital thermometer.
Huh? What? Aslan, I didn't get you. Will you repeat this?
Ma'am, that thermometer which has hours and minutes and seconds, it's called a digital thermometer.
The thermometer which is hours and minutes. Aslan, your voice is very low. I'm unable to understand. Okay. Yes, children. So degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit, these two are the units to measure the temperature. Fine. I hope nobody is writing, so I'll clear this and then we'll move ahead. Okay, now this is second question. So here what we have to do is we have to match the following images with their names. This means we have to look at the picture of the given thermometers, right? And then we have to find out that whether the given thermometer is a laboratory thermometer or clinical thermometer, right? Picture might not be clear from my side, but you can look in your book and then you can find out. All right. Okay, I'll try to. Yes, Akshaj.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Ma'am, I can't draw these thermometers, ma'am.
No need to draw these thermometers. Okay. When you'll get back to your home, no, at that time you can complete this exercise. Right now, just write question number and write correct answer in front of that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, children, I'll try to show you pictures of these thermometers and then we'll start the exercise. If network will help me, then I'll definitely. Okay. Like in a digital clock, we don't have any minute hand, hour hand, or seconds hand. In a similar way, in digital thermometer, we don't have any markings here. We have here only digits. So what is the temperature in this digital thermometer? Here the temperature is 98.7 degree Celsius, right? So in digital thermometer, we have only digits. We don't have any markings here. Okay. And this is the, yeah, this is the clinical thermometer. You can see here numbers are written here and markings are there. And so this thermometer is known as clinical thermometer. Fine. Now we have one more kind of thermometer that is known as laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer is a thermometer which we use in the labs. We are using laboratory thermometer in the labs. Okay. See, I hope you all are able to see this thermometer. Again, you have red color liquid in it. This red color line, I hope you all are able to see. This is a liquid which is present in the thermometer, and this liquid is used to measure the temperature. If any object is very hot, then this level of this red color liquid, that is mercury, will increase. Okay, it will go up, right? So this kind of thermometer is known as laboratory thermometer. Okay, so I hope now you all have seen different types of thermometer. So we'll do question number 2 here. You have to look at the picture and then you have to match it with the correct answer. So now you have to tell me, yes, Aryan, you tell me, Aryan, look at the picture of look at first picture and tell me, is it laboratory thermometer or clinical thermometer? Which one? Yeah, so first picture is of clinical thermometer, children. So we'll match it with the second option. So match it with second option. This is clinical thermometer. Okay. Aliza, now look at the second picture and tell me which thermometer is it? Digital or laboratory? Yes, Aliza, which thermometer?
Laboratory.
Yeah, second one is a laboratory thermometer. That's correct. I have shown you picture just now. So second picture is of laboratory thermometer. Now the last one. Nitya Sri,
Yes, ma'am.
last picture is of which type of thermometer? Laboratory, clinical or digital?
Ma'am, say again.
Nitya Sri, last picture is of which thermometer? I'm
Digital,
waiting.
ma'am.
Yes. Last picture is of digital thermometer. That's the correct answer. So we'll match it with the third option, that is digital thermometer. You can see here that only digits are there. So this is a digital thermometer, right? And there are, remember this thing, that there are no markings on digital thermometer. Fine. Okay, I'll try to play that video again